Hey, what is going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at All I See is W. Well, today I wanted to make this video to share with you two hot picks I feel can add so much value to your investment portfolio if you haven't considered these tickers. But before I begin, though, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do consider making an investment, please make sure to do your research. Let's get started. Now, the first ticker I wanted to share with you is Inovio Pharmaceuticals, a San Diego biotech company that is working on 15 immunotherapy DNA vaccines, where they are also working on a COVID-19 vaccine where they use DNA technology as opposed to like RNA or virus-like particle or subunit protein. This is specifically DNA based, and that's why I feel like this is definitely going to take a lot of market share in the vaccine space because it leverages DNA, which is the core of any type of thing that we know of, right? With genetics, DNA is the internal core, while RNA gets produced from ribosomes, proteins. So that's why I like Inovio Pharmaceuticals for what they're working on. And not only are they working on the COVID-19 vaccine, but they have 15 different vaccines they're working on. Most are actually in phase 2 clinical trials, while there's one that's in phase 3 clinical trials for HPV dysplasia. And if and when that product gets approved, then we will see so much clinical benefits than risk in the real world where patients can benefit from that. So that's a good thing. And why do I like Inovio so much? I really value Kate Broderick, the VP of R&D, where she's just so energetic, and she has led a team to really develop a solid INO 4800 platform to provide safety and efficacy against this COVID-19 pandemic. And with Joseph Kim as a leader of this company, not only is he a true scientist, but he's also a businessman who knows how to lead and inspire the team. And I feel like this will position Inovio Pharmaceuticals to become successful, not only in 2021, but in many years to come. And my exit strategy with Inovio Pharmaceuticals is $80 to $100, and we shall see increases in the share price coming very soon as the Food and Drug Administration provides the all systems green light go, where the DNA plasmids will be manufactured in the United States, Japan, and Germany as well. And this will be distributed all around the world. And we know that Adva vaccine in China has the authority to manufacture DNA plasmids already with the rights that Inovio Pharmaceuticals had provided. So from a share price standpoint, we know that on Friday, the share price went up to about 10%. It ended the market at about 2-3%. But from what I know, with how politics are playing a role in vaccine plays right now, 1.9 stimulus being added to vaccine development and distribution, that's going to boost up companies like Inovio Pharmaceuticals. We know INO is part of the Wave 2 vaccine that will be distributed. We know Johnson & Johnson will be coming out with its only one dose, which will add value to society as well. But from a market share standpoint, with all vaccines in play, Inovio Pharmaceuticals will take a big market share as well because of its high quality product that it outputs. So let's not lose sight of what INO can do for you, because we shall likely hear emergency use authorization where INO 4800 will be authorized for use, while clinical trials will still happen with collection of data in phase 2 and phase 3. So let's not lose sight of that aspect of it as well. And if and when EUA is accepted by the Food and Drug Administration, this ticker can fly up vertically and rocket launch up to new territory highs. I mean, we previously saw the share price at $35. I'm forecasting that it can go beyond that. And my exit strategy is around the $80 to $100. So I can't really time when that'll happen, but that's my exit strategy with Inovio Pharmaceuticals. We know that it has 15 products in the pipeline, and positive return on cash flow will happen on each vaccine play. So that's why I'm bullish with this company. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is Emerald Bioscience by the ticker EMBI. However, we know that on Friday, the company had released news that the company name has rebranded itself, where it's taking on a new name now, Skye Bioscience by the ticker SKYE. So if you don't know what this company does, they are a hidden gem biotech company. Actually, several members from Inovio Pharmaceuticals are a part of Skye now. The CEO, Punit Dhillon, he was previously at Inovio Pharmaceuticals as the VP of Operations and Finance, where he built and grew the company by obtaining $200 million for Inovio through multiple financing. And while he was at Oncoset as CEO, working on cancer and melanoma, he has built up that company as well and upgraded the company from OTC to the NASDAQ territory. And I feel like with Skye Bioscience, with its rebranding and having a businessman as a CEO, this company will catapult vertically upward. And what I know is I was previously making videos of EMBI back in November when the share price is hovering at the low 3 cents. We know that last week it bull run all the way up to like 12 cents and it kind of regressed to the 10 cents. But I feel like with the accumulation happening right now, we shall see the catapult take place. And that's why I feel like this company is going to do so well in terms of disrupting how we handle glaucoma. And not only does its drug product provide significant reduction in intraocular pressure for eye, it can also provide neuroprotection. And we know that there's no drug product out in the field intended for glaucoma that brands itself for neuroprotection. So this is potentially unlocking so many new breakthroughs with neuroprotection with its pre-approved products that's currently in preclinical trials, where there's experiments being run at this time with expectation of data being released in Q2 and expectation of laser sharp focus getting into phase 3 clinical trials with humans using its drug product. And the fact that its product leverages cannabinoids with the addition of amino acids, it allows for the drug product to be hydrophilic into the eye so that the drug product ligand binds with the receptor in your eye where there's THC receptors, and that can significantly benefit glaucoma patients in terms of reducing the severity of glaucoma, where you don't want patients to be blind. And the fact that it can potentially provide neuroprotection, that will be the game changer, because there's $1 billion sector in like the Asian market where people just really want neuroprotection because no one wants glaucoma. And that's why I feel Skye Bioscience is going to change the way we handle healthcare, and that's going to be through a hidden gem company led by a solid CEO, Punit Dhillon. So just wanted to share my insights with you, and my forecast is that it will definitely reach the prior resistance back in 2019 April, where it previously reached $1.17. That can potentially be my exit strategy: 80% pull out, 20% let it play. So I just wanted to share my insights with you there. And overall, I just hope that this video added value to you. And I actually just created an online merchandise website with my All I See Is W branding. So if you really want to help sport the All I See Is W branding, take a look at the link that I have provided and make a purchase. There's t-shirts, there's sweaters, there's a coffee mug with the All I See Is W branding. And take a look, and hope that this video added value, and hope you all had a great time watching this video, and have a great weekend. Goodbye.